Hello children, welcome to the English class. Let us see and learn today. Lesson number 4, the sound of violin. In the previous class, we came to know about the different kinds of musical instruments, right? And orchestra. Orchestra means a group of people performing with the various musical instruments. And we met one lady, her name is Sunanda Patkar. She is a maestro in violin, playing the violin. Okay, let us see some more things about her today. Here, the Children Express is having one interview with her. They are having the question and answers, means they are asking questions. For that, she is giving the answers about how to play the musical instruments and who taught her and at what age she has started. At such a small age, 8 years, she has started to play, practice for the violin. Right? We'll continue then. Children Express. Wow, that is truly inspiring. Can you tell us something more about the violin? Sunanda, violin is a wooden instrument. It was first made in Italy few hundred years back. Now it is played all over the world. The player needs to draw the bow across the strings or pluck them to produce sound. Children Express. Thank you for taking out time to speak to us. We look forward to listening to more of your recitals in the coming years. Sunanda Patkar is an inspiring artist. She has received many awards. She also runs a school, Sangeet Ashram, where she trains children to play various musical instruments. Okay children, now I'll explain. Here the Children Express, the team asks her, wow, that is truly inspiring. Can you tell us something more about the violin? They ask, we want to know some more things about the violin. Can you tell us? Sunanda, inspiring means children encouraging to do or feel something for, right? Sunanda, violin is a wooden instrument. See children, she explains that this is the violin. No, it is a wooden instrument. Okay, it was first made in Italy, Italy, a country called Italy. Okay, few hundred years back, means more than 100 years back, it was firstly made in Italy. Now all over India, not only India, all over the world, this is used. The player needs the bow. This is called the bow, children. Bow means a long rod with a thin string. It is having a thin string stretched along it, used for playing the violin or other stringed instruments. This is called the bow. When it is played on the strings, the sound will come. Right? This used. Okay. This is made up of the wooden and the bow is used. This is also made up of the wooden only. On thin line string is there. Okay. When the both will touch, when we pluck the strings, the sound is produced. Right. Children Express. Thank you for taking out time to speak to us. Means they thanked her for making some spare time to sit with us, sit with the media people and have some interview. We look forward to listening more of your recitals. Means they want to listen some more music from her. Okay, we keep look forward, means we will wait for your music concert in the coming years, they tell. Sunanda Patkar, not only an inspiring artist, she not only plays the violin only, She has received many awards. Okay, children. She got many prizes. She had got many prizes, many awards. She also runs a school. She also runs a school called as Sangeeta Ashram. The school name is Sangeeta Ashram, where she trains children. Where she trains means she gives training to the children to play various musical instruments. To play various musical instruments. Okay, children? Wait. Here we ended up the story. Now we'll look for the true or false. Right. Sunanda Patkar was a singer. False. Sunanda Patkar was the violin player. Right. Sunanda Patkar is the violin player. The Sweet Notes Orchestra was touring many countries. False. It is touring all over the India. Sunanda's mother was a sitar player. Yes, she is a sitar player. Violin is played with a bow. Yes, children, this is correct. Ganga Prasad Mathur was Sunanda's first guru. No, it is false. Her father is her first guru. Later, she trained under Ganga Prasad Mathur. Okay, children, we'll stop over here. We'll continue in the next class. Bye.